So the goal of this video is to show you how to edit and clone events that you have previously entered on mynaturalawakenings.com. To be able to edit or clone, you need to have already created a profile, claimed your business, and previously successfully submitted events on either the mynaturalawakenings.com website and or the print magazine. So once you're logged in at mynaturalawakenings.com, and you'll know you're logged in by the shadow head here at the bottom of the page, you're going to go to your events history. There's two ways to get to your event history. You can click on My Profile and then click on the My Events tab, or you can click on Manage Event Submissions, which will take you to the exact same place. So here you are in your profile under the My Events tab. You can see that I have previously submitted events and they are in my events history. So the edit function is intended for you to make adjustments to an event that has been already submitted. The clone function is for when you want to copy an event because you're going to submit a similar event for another time. So for example, if you have a workshop that you do once a month and you need to resubmit it to the Natural Awakenings print calendar, the clone function is the way to go. So let's start with the edit function. You're just going to choose your event, click edit, and up pops the same screen you've used for submitting events. And let's say I needed to fix my description. And you can your own about our there you go. So I've updated my description. Now, this update to description will only impact the online calendar. If you want to update a description for the print calendar, please send us an email and we'll take care of that for you. Otherwise, any other information that you update will be submitted to both online and print calendars as long as it is before the print deadline. Online updates can be made anytime. Print updates need to meet the print submission deadline in order to be printed. So that's all you do. You can change any of this information, click Update Event, and that is editing. You can see that the description that I changed was updated. So now let's look at cloning. I'll go back to Manage Event Submissions. And this time I want to clone a hot yoga class because it's a new month. And I'm going to go ahead and submit this class again for the June issue. So instead of having to retype everything, I'm going to clone it. And this is one of my favorite features of our new online platform. So we're going to click clone, and the class populates with all the information already in. I only need to go in and change my dates to the next month. Everything else is the same for me, and I'm going to submit it to the ongoing print calendar again. I need to input my description here. So if you watch the calendar event submissions video, you'll know that I advised you to keep your descriptions for your events in a Word doc or someplace handy, so when you do have to re-enter it for print, you'll have it someplace you can easily grab it, copy it, and paste it, and not get frustrated because you have to type it again. So there you go. Input your print description. I'm going to apply my free items. You should, as long as you haven't used them up for the month, have your free items available. They will reset every month, and complete my order. And there you have it. that is edit versus clone, and how really easy it is to copy and resubmit events that you may be repeating again in the next month.